This is the setup: 2 monitors VTH and 1 VTO. Click manually. Click Pilya. Okay. First time config. Okay. The PoE switch is not connected into the router, so we need to put a static IP. I'll set this monitor into the main. This one would be the main VTH. 204. Click OK. As default, we use 888. Click OK. Email. The technician must provide their email address for the password reset. So for me, I use click next. Set the VTO password. So we will use LA 1 2 3 4 5 6. Confirm password LA 1 2 3 4 5 6. Make sure that it is correct. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click next. Please enable Motorola. Please OK. Then wait to show all the connected monitors and VTO. So in here you will see this must be initialized. So we will do batch initialization. So once done, you will see it is initialized. This one initialized. So click the main VTO, then click next. This will assign the main VTO as our main. Then let's edit its IP. So VTO, we will set this as 200. So netmask 255.255.192. The video standard, leave it alone as PAL. So the time, set the time. So the time now is 4:08. So I'll make it 16. February 16, 2024. The time now is 4:08. Time zone must be +10 for Melbourne. Click OK. Then let's edit the second monitor. So we will set this one as 206. So double check it. So this VTH is the main. So this is the 204. Then the main VTO is this. then click main, then one key config. The one key configuration will update all the information in the VTH and the VTO. Once the VTO is configured, it will keep sounding like this. So the main door is now set. You can click OK. To see if it's well configured, go to the monitor. So this is the main VTO we set up. You'll see here. This is the second monitor we set. So it will also show the VTO. So as it is, if it is all connected.
Calling now. Please wait a moment.
So this monitor, the main monitor will be the 0 and the sub monitor will be 1. So when I call this, push sharp and 0, then call. Then let's try to the other one. Call user. I'll call this. This is the one.
Huh? Yeah, that is doing a video.
All set.